Hi friends, welcome back to FinveStocks. This video is about interim budget, Union Budget 2024-25. In this video, we will see budget in detail and see what are the main highlights of this budget. By this budget, which all sector or how India is going to benefit on our overall economy. We'll also discuss about stock specific, which will benefit in long term, so that we can put the stock in our watch list and we can monitor and can take timely decision for investment. So now let's see the overall snapshot of budget 2020. We will start with allocation of specific ministries. The maximum allocation is for defense as usual. It is around 6.1 lakh crore. Then comes Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. It is around 2.78 lakh crore. Then comes Ministry of Railways. It is around 2.55, and after that it is Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, which is accounts to 2.13 lakh crore. Home Affairs got 2.03 lakh crore. So these are the main contribution with respect to ministries. In terms of infrastructure, as discussed, capital expenditure raised by 11.1% to 11.11 lakh crore. There are some new housing schemes for middle class and also plan to build and expand medical colleges, airports, metros, etc. So we can see a good amount of activity in infrastructure. In upcoming slides, we will see which all stocks we should study for capturing this benefit. The other main area is on renewable energy, wherein 1 crore people will get 300 units of free electricity through rooftop solarization, and also to provide funding to harness offshore wind energy for initial capacity of 1 gigawatt. In terms of agriculture, there was some focus on oil seed like soybean, mustard and sesame seed. Also planned to set up some 5 integrated aqua park, which will benefit some of the stocks related to aquaculture. In terms of energy, blending of compressed biogas in compressed natural gas for domestic use will be mandated, and also coal gasification and liquefaction capacity of 100 metric ton by 2030. In terms of rural development, 2 crore houses will be built for next 5 years, which will benefit the building sector, also the proxy to the building sectors like cables and wires, tiles, pipings, etc. And last one is railways. Railways to build new energy, mineral and cement corridor, port connectivity corridor and high traffic density corridor. So based on this announcement, let's see which all sectors to watch. So based on the mentioned sectors which are attractive based on the current budget, now let's see stock specific, which all stocks we need to study. As a disclaimer, the stocks discussed here in this video are not a buy recommendation and it is only for study purpose. Please discuss with your financial advisor before investing. So some of the key sectors are infrastructure, railways, housing related, renewable energy, which includes solar, wind, etc., defense and others such as tourism, fisheries, auto ancillary, etc. So when we deep dive inside infrastructure, the main construction companies such as KNR Construction, PNC Infratech, RITES which relate to railway construction, BHEL, KEC International, L&T which is the major projects in our country. If you take any big projects, L&T is a part of that. For example, if you take metro development, Ram Mandir, big monuments, everywhere L&T will be there. So in terms of infrastructure, other segment is cements. In cements, we can study Ultratech, Ambuja Cements, in fact ACC Cements, etc. So Grindwell Norton is on abrasive company. They are into good traction. Then Adani Enterprise, etc. So in terms of railway, IRFC is one key beneficiary. They are into financing the railway projects. Texmaco Rail is one infrastructure providing company in railway. IRCON is into construction of railway, laying the railway lines and all. RITES is into project management consultancy, EPC, etc. So all this infrastructure will build into more passengers traveling. So that will benefit IRCTC. Titagar Wagon is one who are into the wagon manufacturing. The same segment, one more is Jupiter Wagon. In terms of housing, we can segregate the housing segment into various layers, such as one section is related to tile laying, the other one is pipes and building materials, then comes cables, financing the housing, etc. So some of the stocks which is related to tiles manufacturing like Kajaria, Somai, then into pipes, Apollo Pipes is one major beneficiary, then comes Prince Pipes, bigger companies like Supreme, Astral who are serving the pipe segment. Then in terms of cables, Finlux is one leading company, and Polycab, they are into supplying cables for housing. Recently, Polycab is in bad news. Once the dust settles, we can plan to start accumulating Polycab. Then comes HUDCO, who are into giving finance for the housing sector, as well as they are looking into projects for development of housing. NBCC is one company. They are into construction of housing sector and is also one of the Navaratna company. So the next sector is renewable energy. One area of concentration is solar, the other one is wind. So in terms of solar energy, the main stocks like IREDA, who is financing mainly on renewable projects, then financing companies like PFC, REC, all are into financing renewable energy. But the basic difference between IREDA and PFC is IREDA is only giving finance for renewable energy, whereas PFC will give finance to renewable energy as well as other sectors like manufacturing, power related equipments, etc. So in the solar sector, one more beneficiary is Borosil Renewables. They are mainly into the manufacturing of solar glasses. So other beneficiaries being Tata Power, then KPI Green, Adani Green, and NDPC. In defense sector, we have to look into HAL, BEL, that is Bharat Electrical Limited, BEML and BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. The stock we need to study in other sectors like tourism is Easy Trip, then hotel segments like Lemon Tree, fisheries, Avanti Feeds is one major beneficiary. Other stocks like Apex Frozen need to study. In auto ancillaries, we can look into Motherson, factory manufacturers like Amar Raja and other key auto ancillaries. In upcoming videos, we will select key stocks from each sector and we will deep dive into their financial, and also we will see current valuation of the stocks so that we can think about some investment option. Now let's see Nifty 50 current outlook. Currently Nifty 50 is at lifetime high. In last session it touched the lifetime high of around 22,094 and retraced back to 21,853. With all the bullish sentiment related to budget, chances are it will cross the overall high of 22,094 and it can go into an uptrend mode. The only concern is a gap which is created near to 20,500 level. The main concern is only on the gap created in the level of 20,200 to 20,500, that which need to reverse and fill the gap. So whether the gap is being closed next week or next month or after some time, that is not sure. So I am expecting to close the gap before the election. Currently the market is in uptrend mode. So anytime it can break the high and it can go to above 22,000 level. So in upcoming videos related to technical study, we will see volume related video which will show how the volume will impact whether the stock is bullish or bearish. Also we will see moving averages. Based on that, how we can take decision how to buy and how to sell, mainly based on moving averages. Apart from this technical study, also I will post a video which is related to budget stocks, which all are the key stocks to watch out of the list from each sector. Thanks for watching and have a good day.